So hello everybody, and welcome to my video. And in this video I'll be covering the weekly outlook for the brand new week. So today is 1st February 2026. Happy new month, guys. There's so much that we're going to be doing this month, and as we're coming towards the close of this quarter already, time is moving really fast. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Gold has been on a very strong bullish run for weeks now, and has been going up and up. So we've been wanting some form of retracement, which at least we got last week, which was very aggressive, but the week was actually very solid. The recap video is live for that, so you could use the link in the description to check that out to see all the trades and opportunities that we caught actually. So it's actually an awesome one. If you take a close look at how price has been moving, we tend to see that we've been moving on a very steep and a very stable and strong bullish trend line actually from the one week time frame. It's very obvious. You could see all these points that we kept on bouncing off from. So this is basically one thing I would love us to take note of, because already I've done everything. I just cleared them out so that we can actually see the candles properly. So if we take a look here, we could see that we have this FVG, but there's a gap here that price failed to fill, which I know that most likely now, probably with this new week, price is going to most likely fill that level. So filling that level now will help us tap into this FVG properly, to fill it properly, and probably fall towards this level before we start to think of the direction that we would begin to go up higher, because most likely gold will be smashing 6k in the coming weeks or so. So let's go down to 1 day time frame. If we come down to 1 day, I'll turn on everything now. When we come back down to 1 day time frame, we could see that it's the same story. You could see the very steep trend line that we were moving on initially before price started to change trajectory and started running up aggressively. So basically we need to take note of this gap again, as I've said. And then there was this level that we broke out of when we took out this particular ATH late December. Full body close below this above this level. I expected price to probably tap this region a bit before we push up higher, but price failed to do that. So let's take note of all these levels. I've marked out everything. Let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. When we come back down to the 4-hour time frame, you'd see I've actually marked out this gap here, and you could see that the close on Friday was actually very strong, which I expect that this would give rise to some form of bullish reaction to the upside, probably retracement into the premium level, because price actually broke out of the bullish trend line that we're moving on, which on the 4-hour and 1 hour time frame was this guy here. If we just use our tool here, we could see it here. This was the level that we're moving on. So this was how price was moving on. So let's go down to 1 hour so we could actually get a very more clear look at what we expect actually. So after this breakout now, from what we can see here, most buyers were actually expecting to add up their buy orders at this level because of the breakout structure here, but then next thing we caught was a full body close below this low. So my expectation was price would actually tap into this FVG here and enter into the premium level properly, then we can sell off. But instead price did that at around this level, and you could see after it did that, we got a breakup structure, tapped back into 50% of this week, and we sold off. So this already pushed price down so low, but price already failed to tap into this premium level. So my expectation is that probably most likely once price is able to break out of this bearish trend line, this intraday bearish trend line here, most likely price will chase to take out this level of liquidity and tap into the premium level. Then probably we might sell off as low as this. If we should go down to 30 minutes, we actually still get to see the same story, but we get to see it more cleaner here. Breakout structure, failure to tap into this guy, sold off, and started to move on this bearish trend line. So what I'm actually expecting is that if we should go down to 15 minutes now, on the 15 minutes time frame, we'll tend to notice that we have this same play here. So probably price may come back into this premium level at this point, and use it as a way to fall back down into the discount level at this level. Then we use this guy to break out of this bearish trend line and chase towards this premium level. And when we get to this point, most likely price may sell off. But if price attempts with market open, we gap into this level, and price attempt to or fails to hold this level, most likely to just push and chase liquidity sitting on all these levels. If we should even go down to 5 minutes, we could actually even get like a more clear view, I would say, a more clearer view of what happened here exactly. You could see that we have this break of structure here, took this high, took this low here, so price broke out of this level but failed to tap back into the discount level before it did that. Still did the same thing here and out of this guy. Then we fell back to tap into this 15 minutes FVG, and we can see confirmation. So most likely for tap into this premium level here. You could see it here, even though it's small, but then it's here. Price failed to tap into it, and we could see this FVG sitting at this point. So probably price tap into this guy, failure to break higher will just push us down lower. If we come back down here, you could see that we're yet to tap into the discount level at this point. Inducement sitting at this level, so probably this and then pushing up higher. But then if with the tap back into the discount level, price fails to hold it or give us a confirmation, then price will just fall. Price will most likely fall, take out last week's low, and before we see any form of maybe confirmation to change structure to push up higher. But basically this is actually what I'm expecting. So I'll be dropping more updates later on this evening towards the market open during the Asian session, so we could actually know how we could start to follow up. So if you are not part of the channel, you could use the link in the description. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, comment and share this video so that many others could actually get to learn something from it. So I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.